Hello, everybody. Welcome to Magic Ears. Do 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 do. Whoop-a. My name is Teacher Camren. What is your name? Hello, Joe. Hello, James. Let's get started. Welcome. Listen. I wake up in the morning. You say it. Very good. Okay, Joe. Say morning, morning, morning. Good job. Good morning, Mom. Good morning, Ken. Your turn. Good job. Okay, very good. I wash my face in the morning. I wash my face in the morning. Your turn. Good job. Wash, wash. Wash is clean. Wash. Can you say it? Very good. Can you spell wash? Very good. Good job. W-A-S-H. Wash. Good job. I wash my face. Your turn. Good job. I wash my hands. Good job. I wash my hands. I wash my face. Good job. Okay, John, your turn. Can you say wash? Good job. Say wash, wash. Very good. Okay, James, your turn. Can you say wash? Very good. Say wash, sh, wash. Wonderful. Good job. I brush my teeth in the morning. Your turn. Very good. Very good. Brush, brush. Brush. Your turn. Very good. Do you brush your teeth? Do you brush your teeth? Yeah, me too. I brush my teeth. Tooth, tooth, tooth. Can you say it? Very good. I have one tooth. One tooth. Can you say it? Very good. I have two teeth. Teeth. Can you say it? Very good. Teeth. Teeth. How many teeth do you have? Good job. Okay. Tooth. 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 Teeth. Teeth. One tooth. Tooth. Now you say it. Good job. One tooth. Two teeth. Two teeth. Your turn. Good job. Three teeth. Teeth. Now you say it. Three teeth. Your turn. Very good. Good job. I have one Can you say tooth? Tooth? Very good. I have one. Good job. Tooth. Tooth. Now say, can you say teeth? Teeth? Teeth. Very good. Very good. I have two teeth. Teeth. Now you say it. I have two teeth. Good job. I have three teeth. Your turn. I have three. Very good. Good job.